Let's continue. MCQ number 2. The population of a town doubles every 10 years. If the initial population is 5,000, which function models the population after t decades? And then a function of t is equal to 5,000 times 2 raised to t. And then we have letter B. P, a function of t is equal to 5,000 times t raised to 2. And letter C. P, a function of t is equal to 5,000 plus 2t. And then letter D. P, a function of t is equal to 5,000 times 10t. MCQ number 3. The area of a square is modeled by a function of its side length s. Which function represents this? A function of s is equals to 4s. B, a function of s is equals to s squared. C, a function of s is equal to 2s. D, a function of s is equal to s over 2. MCQ number 4. A company's revenue is directly proportional to the number of products sold. If each product costs 250, which function gives the revenue R a function of X from selling X products? So A, R a function of X is 250X. Letter B, R a function of X equal to 250 plus x. C, R a function of x equal to x over 250. D, R a function of x equal to 250 raised to x. MCQ number 5. The height of a ball thrown upwards is modeled by h a function of t is equal to negative 5t squared plus 20t plus 10. What does this function represent? A. Linear growth. B. Quadratic motion. C. Exponential growth. And then MCQ number 6. The cost of electricity is 12 pesos per kilowatt hour. Which function models the cost C a function of x for x kilowatt hours consumed? Letter A. C a function of x is equals to 12 plus x. B. C a function of x equal to 12x. C. C a function of x is equal to 12 over x. Letter D. C a function of x equal to x raised to 12. MCQ number 7. The depreciation of a car's value is modeled by B a function of t is equal to 800,000 times 0.85 raised to t, where t in years. What type of function is this? A. Linear. B. Quadratic. C. Exponential decay. Letter D. Constant. MCQ number A. A cell phone plan costs 300 pesos per month plus 2 pesos per text message, which function models the monthly cost if X messages are sent. So, A is equal to CX is equals to 300 plus 2X. B, C, a function of X equals to 300X plus 2. Letter C, C, a function of X is equal to 2X. D, C, a function of x equal to 300x. MCQ number 9. A farmer's profit is modeled by P, a function of x equal to negative 2x squared plus 120x minus 1,000. What type of function of this? A, linear, B, exponential, C, quadratic, D, absolute value. And then MCQ number 10. The distance traveled by a car moving at a constant speed of 80 kilometers per hour after t hours is given by which function? A. D, a function of t is equals to 80 over t. Letter B. D, a function of t is equal to 80t. Letter C. D, a function of t is t over 80. D. D, a function of t is equals to 80 plus t. MCQ number 11. A movie ticket costs 250 pesos for adults. A. And then 200 pesos for children. C. Which type of function can model the total cost depending on the number of adults? A. And child. C. Tickets. A. C, a function of AC is equals to 250A plus 200C. Letter B. C, a function of AC is equal to 200 plus 200. C. C, a function of A and C is equal to 200A plus 250C. Letter D. C, a function of A, C is equal to A over C. Number 12. The growth of bacteria in a lab is modeled by N, a function of T is equal to 1,000 times 3 raised to T. What does the base 3 represent? Initial bacteria count. B. Growth rate factor. C. Doubling time. D. Decay factor. MCQ number 13. The perimeter of a rectangle with length L and width W is modeled by which function? A. P, a function of L and W, is equal to 2L plus 2W. B, P, a function of LW, is equal to LW. C, a function of P, a function of LW, is equal to L squared plus W squared. Letter D. P, a function of L, W is equal to L plus W. MCQ number 14. The cost of renting a car is 1,000 pesos per day plus 25 pesos per kilometer driven. Which function represent the cost for D days and K kilometers? Letter A. C, a function of D and K is equals to 1,000 plus 25K. B. C, a function of D and K is equal to 1,000D plus 25K. And then C, a function of D and K is equal to 1000K plus 25D. And then D, C, a function of D and K is equal to 25K. MCQ number 15. The amount of water in a tank is modeled by W, a function of T, is equal to 200 minus 5T, where T is in minutes, What does this model represent? A. Water being added at a constant rate. B. Water being drained at a constant rate. C. Exponential filling of the tank. D. No change in water level. MCQ number 16. The monthly income tax is modeled by a piecewise function. Which situation best represent this? A. Fixed tax rate for all incomes. B. Different tax rate depending on income brackets. C. Constant income regardless of tax. D. Exponential tax increase. MCQ number 17. A cell phone battery loses 20% of its charge every hour. Which type of function models this? A. Linear. B. Quadratic. C. Exponential decay. D. Constant. Practice problem number 18. A concert ticket is priced at 2,000 pesos. If a discount of 10% applies for groups of 5 or more, what type of function models this pricing? A. Linear function. B. Piecewise function. C. Quadratic function. D. Constant function. And then MCQ number 19. A person jogs at 6 km per hour for 30 minutes, then walks at 3 kilometers for 30 minutes. Which function best models the distance traveled? A. Linear. B. Piecewise linear. C. Quadratic. D. Exponential. MCQ number 20. The cost of printing flyers is 5 pesos per page for up to 100 pages and 4 pesos per page for additional pages beyond 100. Which function represents this? A. Constant function. B. Quadratic function. C. Piecewise function. D. Exponential function. The answer key for quarter 2 numbers in algebra lesson 11 using functions to model and solve real life problems is as follows. For numbers 1 to 5. For numbers 6 to 10. For numbers 11 to 15. For numbers 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye bye. See you in our next lesson.